In this video, I'm going to show you how to add goals in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go into a specific page. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side, and under Team Spaces or Private, you want to go to a specific page. Within your page, to actually add goals in Notion, we could either do two things. It's either create a table or create a checkbox list. To create a checkbox list, the first thing that you want to do is you want to add a checklist or a to-do list. And to do that, you just want to click on a blank space and then type / for commands. Then go ahead and type to-do list. It will actually add as a checklist. And whenever you click enter, it will automatically add another set of list. What we can also do is create a goals database to add our goals with more information. And to do that, you just want to go and click on a blank space again, type / for commands, and then what you want to do is you want to type database, and then select table view. Within here, we could actually add different names. Let's add a title for goals. And within the name itself, we can actually change this into goals. You could also change the icon, something like that. And then you want to go to the properties side, and on the property, you want to click on add property. And there are actually a lot of things that you can add. We could either add a status, we could add another property for a progress, and another property for a date. And after that, you have actually created a goals database. You want to add your goals in here. Let's say make a page. And for the status, we could actually edit the property into our liking. Within the progress status, we can actually add another property within this, edit it in the way that we want. And within the date section, you could add a specific date within the goal. We could also add another property for a person. This means that you want to assign anyone within the goal itself. And that's about it. That's how to add goals in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.